Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm so excited, guys. It's my birthday and I'll cry if I want to, but I'm not gonna cry because I got my dream bag. Birthday Birkin. Oh, you don't know how happy I am and how long this took to find, but that's a video for another day. I just wanted to do a reveal and to show you what I got. So it came as a, I guess what you call like a full set. So it's a box. Any guesses, guys? It is the JPG Birkin, the Jean-Paul Gaultier Birkin. And he designed these from 2004, I believe, up until 2012 and 13. This one here is 2011, and I believe the date stamp is the, oh, I'll have to double check. But it is also in the color Etoupe. And I'll just do a close-up of the hardware here, guys. When I found this one, it had been so hard to find. They're very rare to find these in this really good condition in Canada. It's so hard. I have seen like on Fashion File and things like that, there is quite a few of these, but for me, it's not worth it because I'm, from Canada, so the duties and the taxes wouldn't work out for me. So I am so happy to get this from my local pre-love boutique. And now this is not how I will be wearing this. So you twist off here. And because this is Etoupe from 2011, it has the circle twist lock here. I'll try and put it sideways for you there. The ones, I think it was up until, I don't know, 2007 or 8. It was actually this part here was actually square, and the sangles you had to actually pull through. So this one, you can see it better there. It's the circle. Do it like that. And then the sangles, they come up. So which is quite nice because I have seen the older models. And open it up here. And I don't know if you notice these sangles and the lock are quite a bit larger than a regular Birkin. You can see that. And like I said, this one with the hardware, like it's in really good condition. And it has the clochette here. You can see the keys right there. And this came as a I don't know, I guess what they call like a full set. It came with the box and the shopping bag. I just wasn't going to show you the shopping bag. It also came with the raincoat, which is kind of cool. Not that I'll be ever taking this out in the rain, but you never know, you get caught in the rain. Came with care cards and booklets and things like that. And then this little pouch here is where the clochette, and here's the lock, guys. So you can see it is, let me put it there. It is so much bigger than, maybe I'll put it like that. It's so much bigger than a regular Birkin. So Let me just move you guys down here a bit. Okay, there we go. Maybe I should have had that position this whole time. I'm just so excited, guys. It's my party and I won't cry if I want to. Don't sing, my daughter will say. So for now, I don't know if I'm gonna put it here, there, or I might double wrap this. Let's see how this looks, because it is quite a heavy lock. Yeah, I don't know if I want to. I was gonna hang it somehow like this with the lock. Let's see here. I don't know. I'll play with it for a while. The insides. So this one actually has a zippered pocket. Can you see right back here? So it's got one zippered pocket, and then no more, and then it has 2 pockets right here. And you can see how big it is. And this is a 42 centimeters. So let's put these sangles back here. There we go, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Like, I was just like singing on the way home, like driving from the west side of Vancouver. I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm beyond ecstatic. And it was funny when I was telling my husband about this. He's like, what's a Birkin? So just like my older daughter, so I explained it to him. But yeah, this is my birthday present from me to me. I really, really love the contrast stitching with this color. So this beauty will go with quite a bit of my wardrobe. I do wear mainly black, and then I wear all white outfits, and then of course I do like some color. So this Etoupe is described as a beige with gray undertones. So it is just, oh my gosh, and just, I mean, it is it is a heavy, let me get in the frame here. It is a heavy bag with just nothing in it, right? But I mean, like I said in all my videos, I'm used to carrying, you know, big bags, so it's not a big deal for me. Hey guys, this is me, future editing. Well, my daughter's editing, and there's a bunch of stuff I forgot because I was so excited. This is my granddaughter, Fifi. So this is palladium hardware, and it is also called, it's still called, I should say, a shoulder Birkin. And also, the most important thing I forgot, when I opened the bag, I just got a waft of leather smell. It is, after all these years, it just smells so delicious. And when my husband was examining it, he was like, look at some of the stitches. He goes, why are they like that? And I told him, well, it's handmade, right? And then when he opened it up, he goes, I go, what does it smell like to you? And he goes, oh, it smells like a new car. I go, it's amazing. This is from 2011. So again, whoever owned this, there was one owner before me, definitely kept this in such really, really good condition. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Back to the video. Say bye, Fifi. Bye, Fifi. So that's it, guys, for today, my Birkin birthday. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. That would be awesome, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.